Hello friends, I hope you are fine and safe, taking proper precautions against COVID-19. I am Ramesh Singh, author, Indian Economy, the book published by McGraw Hill Education. I am here to share with you the news of launching the latest edition of the book 2020-21 on Kindle, naturally with Amazon. You know, not only India but whole world is suffering from the fear and spread of the virus, and everything, almost everything has been disrupted. So naturally, the publication works also got disrupted. Anyhow, so that aspirants' preparations and the people who need the latest version of this book, they don't suffer. Me, including my team, tried to do everything and prioritize at least the Kindle version of the book. And the book is available with you. You can get it from Amazon anytime. In the meanwhile, a little bit I would like to share with you about the importance of economics. Very briefly, you can say, at the level of preliminary exam conducted by Union Public Service Commission, up to 60-65 questions have been asked in the examination. Coming to mains examination, GS paper 3, around half, at times around 65% of questions come from economics and Indian economy. Similarly, you will find invariably every year at least one topic asked in essay on economy. At times, topics increase to 2 also. No need to say, around 1/3 of time in interview board, you will be asked various questions regarding economy, as its importance has increased in the last few years. So never take things for granted. Be conceptually clear, fully updated, and try to follow official informations first, then anything else. I mean India Economic Survey, India Development Report, documents and official sources like Niti Aayog and Ministries of Government of India. Some states also give good news. Well, that is about the economics. You must be interested to know what is new in this latest edition. I give you just brief overview. You can say this edition as enlarged edition, fully revamped, and probably we have added around 200 pages in this edition to cover up all latest things, which I thought should be important for the examinations conducted by UPSC and various state civil services in the year 2020 and 2021. All of you know last year's economic survey, that is economic survey 2018-19, was published very late. So this year, the edition has tried to include 2 surveys back to back. The 2 volumes of last year's survey and the 2 volumes of latest edition, that is 2019-20, inclusive of budget. You will find in the book brief summary of both the volumes of latest edition given at the end part. COVID and its disruption has been a new. So whatever was available by that time from the sources kind of UNO, UNCTAD, FAO, they all have been included in the book. You will find them. I hope that you are taking proper care, staying safe, and most important, maintaining social distance. Even if lockdown is withdrawn fully or partially, we are supposed to follow proper care about social distancing so that we are safe, community is safe, country is safe and whole world is safe. Thank you very much. Take care. Be safe.